This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a river rock interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, Colorado detector, TV antenna, Skylight, microwave, self-contained, slideout, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,512 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.